Hi student, the last module of your paper is Application of Computer, SPSS and Internet in Statistical Analysis. Recent technological advances have provided many social researchers with access to a computer. Electronic computers have become an indispensable part of statistical analysis. Computers remove most of the tedious aspects of statistical analysis and should give us correct answers. Computer is certainly one of the most versatile and creative developments of the modern technological age. Today, people use computers in almost every walk of life. Using computer, the researcher analyzes complex data and has made complicated research designs practical. Computers have by now become an indispensable part of research students in the physical and behavioral science as well as in humanities. The research student in this age of computer technology must be exposed to the method and use of computers. Computers are ideally suited for data analysis concerning large research projects. In all these operations, computers are of great help. Their use, apart expediting the research work, have reduced the human hard work and added to the quality of research activity. We have found today in social science research, electronic computers constitute an indispensable part of their research equipment. The computers can perform many statistical calculations easily and quickly. Computation of means, standard deviation, correlation coefficient, t-test, analysis of variance, analysis of covariance, multiple regression, factor analysis, and various non-parametric analysis are just a few of the programs and subprograms. These are also available in the market. In brief, software packages are readily available for the various simple and complicated analytical and quantitative techniques of which researchers generally make use of. The only work a researcher has to do is to feed in the data he or she gathered after loading the operating system and particular software package on the computer. The output, or to say the result, will be ready within seconds or minutes depending upon the quantum of work. Techniques involving trial and error process are quite frequently employed in research methodology. This involves a lot of calculation and work of repetitive nature. The storage facility which the computers provide is of immense help to a researcher, for they can use of stored up data whenever they required to do so. Thus, innumerable data can be processed and analyzed with greater ease and speed with the help of computer. Moreover, the results obtained are generally correct and reliable. Hence, researchers should be given computer education and be trained in research work. Next, advantages of using a computer in statistical analysis. First one, accuracy and speed. Good computer programs will give the correct answers quickly. So, analysis by hand is prone to arithmetical errors and is painfully slow for all but the simplest task. Versatility. A computer gives access to a wide range of statistical techniques. Even complex analysis can be performed very fastly. Graphics. Computer programs enable plot of observation or statistical result to be obtained easily. The full advantages should be taken of this facility. Histograms and other scatter diagrams can be used to inspect the raw data, and plots can be used to study the result from an analysis. Next, flexibility. A major advantage of computer is the ability to make small changes and repeat the analysis. Next, vast amount of data can be handled. Next, easy transfer of data. Once data have been entered into a computer file, they can easily be transferred between researchers either electronically or email or CD. Next, SPSS. SPSS means the statistical package for the social science. It is a software package used in statistical analysis of data. This statistical package for the social science is a widely used program for statistical analysis in social science, particularly in education and research. The SPSS software consists of a base module needed for all applications plus a number of add-on modules for additional purposes. It contains commands for creating and transforming data files. SPSS offers a very broad range of statistical methods. As such, this has the potential disadvantage that users have options at their disposal that many will never use. That is why SPSS has been organized into modules that together form the SPSS data analysis system. Next, using Internet in social science. In today's information society, Internet has emerged as a powerful and educational tool. It is very important and useful sources to fulfill the requirements of the students. The Internet has become an integral part of our everyday life and exerts direct impact on people's idea and behavior. It places networked computing into an increasing number of objects that are neatly integrated into our daily lives, thus creating a data-driven society and a data-driven economy. This offers the perspectives of a complete recording of all aspects of our life. When it is accessible by social scientists, this provides a universe of research potential. We already see the rapid evolution of online markets for all kinds of goods and services, in particular jobs. And the social media generate huge amount of information about individual preferences and behavior. The social components will accelerate and become more important as technology becomes miniaturized and produces affordable life accessories that are tightly integrated into daily life. The impact of the advances in digital technology and the economics of information and communication technology components is best understood in the increase of the size of the so-called second economy in the macro sense and in the proliferation of social media in the micro sense. The Internet is the most natural place where the second economy surfaces into reality, and it is where social media takes place. Nowadays, supported by the products like Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube, etc. The data that will result from the second economy, the Internet, social media, and technology miniaturization will be indispensable for social sciences and will more than complement more traditional data sources such as official statistics. Use of Internet in social science research are following. It allows researchers to conduct survey research without the expense associated with the mailed surveys. It facilitates the process of recruiting groups of subjects with the characteristics or experiences not found in local communities. It provides a way to pre-screen participants. It provides a huge pool of potential subjects. It provides the opportunity to observe communications among individuals and to code and analyze an extensive range of phenomena, such as the use of online support groups or the decision-making behaviors of online consumers. The Internet itself may be a subject of study, including linguistic and discourse-based analysis of computer-mediated communication and the Internet as a cultural entity.